If you need some tips on how to cut an apple, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. Whether you're adding diced apple to a salad or slicing apples for a tart or even just snacking, knowing the right techniques can come in handy.
So the way I like to cut up an apple is I cut it in half with the stem side facing up. Of course, I remove my little sticker. Now, you can either use a paring knife to carefully do this, where you take the seeds out using a paring knife and then cutting out your stem and the bottom part and making sure you got all those little seeds. So that's one way to core an apple, or you can also use a melon baller and just get in there with the melon baller and very easily and neatly scoop out the seeds, and it looks really pretty if you're going to be stuffing it or presenting it some way where you just want it to look nice. And then you'll still want to remove a little bit of this part where it's a little brown and the skin's a little tougher. If you're thinly slicing the apple for a salad, for example, you'll just want to use your safe handhold, thinly slice through to get little thin pieces like this. Or if you're looking to dice your apple, you might want to make one cut initially right here, and then a second cut like this, so that then you have these thinner pieces to work with. And then you can either do like I do, where I just keep them all together, or if you're afraid of them slipping, you can cut them individually with them lying one at a time on the surface. But I do tend to stack them all up together, and then I hold them on either side like this, slice up through. They're not quite as slippery as an onion. They tend to kind of stick together well. And then I just line it back up the other way and dice that way. But again, if you're concerned about any kind of slipping, don't try this method and just use one piece at a time. And there's your diced apple.
So now you know how to cut an apple in a few different ways. So I hope you found this helpful. Enjoy those apples, and I'll see you the next time.